Ali Kazi,
Yes, sir.
you have executed the first program.
Yes, sir.
Now you share your screen.
Showing me that it's disabled.
Wait 1 minute. Now,
Yeah, it's okay.
which editor you are using?
I used PyCharm because my IDLE is not working for some reason. It's showing some
No.
errors.
Okay, no problem. Okay. So here the PyCharm is to be used by the Ali. Those who want to see, you can see to it. Ali,
Yes, sir.
if you have the no, okay, no problem. Okay, it will be fine. Those who want to use the PyCharm, they can see to it. You can also use it. As I have said, there are many editors to write it. So one of that editor is PyCharm. Once again, but the everything is same, like we are doing in the IDLE, right, Ali?
Yes, sir. Exactly same. It's
Yeah.
just that it's little graphical interface, so it's little easy to make out where your programs are.
But everything is same.
Yeah, exactly same.
Okay.
And you
Nice talk.
just have to click and run it.
Yeah. Same as previous one. Or directly F5 you can use and run it.
Yeah.
Okay, you
Can
can
I
stop.
stop the share
Yeah,
now?
you stop sharing.
Thank you.
Shazia, now you share your screen. Okay. Everyone execute the second program. Uzair Petiwala. Stop sharing. उजैर
यस सर
आप अभी आ रहे हो?
लास्ट लेक्चर में था स्ट्रिंग लेंथ का मैंने प्रोग्राम एग्जीक्यूट किया है.
लिस्ट में आप नहीं थे?
लिस्ट में भी था सर.
ओके. Tasneem, you share your screen.
Sir, I am left.
Okay, now you can see that Taskin is doing a program by using the any other method that I have also explained in the lecture. First, you save your program. Now, Taskin,
जी sir.
आप ही explain करो ये कैसे किया आपने, because I have already explained in the lecture as well.
क्या एक्सप्लेन करो प्रोग्रामिंग मेथड?
नहीं, आपने कैसे प्रोग्राम लिखा, कहाँ पर प्रोग्राम लिखा एंड हाउ यू आर एग्जीक्यूटिंग इट.
ओके, मैंने सिंपली एक नोटपैड की टेक्स्ट फाइल बनाया, ठीक है, wrote the प्रोग्राम प्रॉपर्ली और उसको सेव करने के टाइम पे .py एक्सटेंशन डाला. सो नाउ .py एक्सटेंशन के साथ में मैंने अपना ये पाथ दिया CMD को डेस्कटॉप पे आने के लिए, और यहाँ पे पाइथन ये हम लोग कीवर्ड लिखते हैं टू टेल द CMD और द सिस्टम की, ठीक है, व्हाट्स कमिंग इज अ पाइथन फाइल एंड ओके इट्स जस्ट अ पाइथन फाइल, और उसके बाद मैं फाइल नेम बता देती हूँ कि आप कौन सा एग्जीक्यूट करना है. सो व्हिच एवर पाइथन और वर्जन
With
you have
file
installed,
extension.
that
With file
compiler
extension.
gets with file extension. So whatever Python version you have installed, that compiler gets called here, and it just executes your .py extension file. So here it's done the same thing.
Similar to the
यहाँ
Java,
पे
आपने जो
मैंने
Java
just
में किया है, in the similar way, if you want to do it in the Python, you can do it like this one. Good. Now you stop sharing.
stop.
Anyone got the output of the second program? Everyone put your attendance in the chat box now. Zoya Mansoori, have you done the second program?
No, sir, not done.
Okay. Gupta Shivam. Everyone put your attendance in the chat box now.
Sir,
Huh?
my attendance not getting marked of all the subject. There is a issue in software. I had informed to HOD sir also. He
Hmm.
had said me there is an issue in your attendance. So your attendance not getting marked of all the subject. So
So,
last lecture also my attendance is not marked.
in which subject? In my subject?
Yes, yeah, Python. In all the subject is not getting the marked the attendance. You have to personally put my attendance, sir.
Okay. You are putting your attendance in the chat box?
Yes, sir. Yes, but you are if you put the software sorry in software directly the text file, so attendance is not getting my mark. You have to do
Okay, I
the
will check.
personally only.
Okay, I will check.
Sir. Uh,
Now everyone finish it within 5 minutes. Do it fast. Shivam, Gupta Shivam. गुप्ता शिवम जल्दी करो,
Sir,
आपको शेयर करना है स्क्रीन. Yes, anyone want to say anything?
yes sir. So मुझे
हाँ,
पूछना है कि हम लोग को अभी जो प्रोग्राम लिख रहे थे वो displaying a list, finding the length of the list, elements, concatenating, ये सब आएगा
हाँ, हाँ. Aim
जैसा
is
हमारे
written
सिलेबस में.
syllabus में.
Found it. तो वही सारे नहीं. अरे मतलब the Moodle वाला तो.
हाँ, everything is available on the Moodle. You can check to it. I have displayed at the start as well. Under the PDF file experiment number 1, na, you will get the same PDF file which I have created where the theory is there, aim is there, all the theory which are required, all the method related to all the data types, and after that, every program and their output is also available in the software.
ठीक है सर. ओके तो वही करना है ना.
Yes, yes. Ansari Umar.
Yes, sir.
किया आपने execute?
There is showing error some
What is the error?
the first program.
Hmm?
There is some syntax error. Syntax error.
Syntax error. Na? Check the indentation mark or check the variable that you have written. It is same or different.
That is same.
You make a one file of the complete program and then execute it. So it will be more clear to you.
Sir, I'm doing it on mobile.
Okay. No problem if you are doing it on the mobile, but you save your entire program like other student have showed, like Ali, Taskin, and Rohit has said, showed.
Sir, I will try to find a different compiler in my mobile.
Sorry,
This ID is not working, I think.
can you share the screen?
Not really, no? Sir, see here. When I'm executing now, it is showing me the syntax error.
Hello, you click on the interactive button first on the compiler.
Interactive.
Huh.
Yeah.
This one interactive. Huh. You click it on. Now you execute. Remove the semicolon. There is no need of the semicolon. Remove the semicolon after each and every statement.
On the line online.
हाँ, ये ऑनलाइन कंपाइलर में एरर आएगा, इसके लिए वो दे रहा हूँ. Remove all the semicolon because semicolon is not required. Now you execute.
Sir, still showing this.
Line 3, if string is equal to x. What is the, show me the if statement. You write down the if statement correctly और x वापस लिखो आप. It may be upper case or lower case if you have considered. Okay, you stop sharing. I will run this program on this model, on this online compiler. Till that time you try. I will run and share the screen. You stop sharing. Have you given the colon sign? If string is equal to x colon, have you given that? Umar?
Yes, sir. Even
No, na? That's why this is the error. If string is equal to x inside single quotes colon, then press mark and it will go for the indentation. Now you check and run. वरन
सर अभी सिंटेक्स दिखा रहा है स्टेटमेंट पे।
now you can see my screen. This online compiler you are using, na, Umar? This is the
Yes, sir.
program I have written. I have executed, and let's see. You check your indentation mark. It may be mixed, or if you have used the statement incorrectly, if you have written.
Okay, sir. I will see.
Look here. For example, if I'll give this is my this statement and press enter. Yeah, we are getting the output on the compiler.
Okay,
You
sir. I
check.
will check it again.
Yes, see to
Yeah.
it.
Hmm.
So now is that clear? Both the programs are clear to everyone, and you are familiar with the Python, right? There is no doubt. Nothing is there.
No doubt, sir.
Okay, fine. Now I am ending this session. Anybody wants to ask anything? Second program किसका हुआ? Anyone has done the second program? Who got the output of the second program? Rohit?
Sir, no. Typing.
Okay, typing still. Type it. No problem.
Sir, I got it, but I think you need to see it.
Yes. You run your program, Tasneem, sorry. Okay. So the list elements are displayed. Okay. Yes. Where is the last part of the program? That nested books. Books का part हमने जो किया last में nested loops में, where we have
So that
displayed. हाँ?
to be executed. वो execute करना बाकी है. I'll do that in PenShare.
Yes. Anasi ma'am, can we add list inside a list? Yes. One list into the other list. But the way of accessing now, it will be a tedious task. So you should take care of at that time whenever you are accessing the list content within the list. Anasi ma'am, hope you have understood.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I've done the second program, but somewhat in my way.
Yeah. Can you show?
I've added some additional features which I've learned.
Good. Now you show it to me.
So this is the thing.
Yeah.
This is a showroom type of a scenario wherein cars, the cars present in the showroom are BMW, Mercedes, and Porsche. Then I have removed the elements from the list. And if,
Okay.
for example, a particular car is present in the list, it will return true. Or I also saw from your code
Hmm.
that this car is present in the showroom. I've just typed it out like this. I've
Okay,
framed it like a sentence.
okay, good one.
So the output is over here.
Yes. Okay, good. There are many more things also given in the tutorial of your theory part. You go and check it. You will get many more knowledge of it as well. Many more methods are available. You directly use that method like Uzair has used. Zoya Mansoori,
Yes, sir.
can you share your screen if you have executed the second?
No, sir, not completed.
Still you're typing? So I'm ending the session here right now.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. I'm ending the session here. Now you execute, and if you have any doubt also, you can ask or post me onto my mobile number if you have any doubt, because we have the other lectures at 11. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye.